11:10 to look at the brick on the outside.
So I'm going to do a video with the,
Get out of your way.
no, because we'd like to see you. Did you renovate this or was it like this?
Renovate the whole kitchen?
Yes.
Right before we moved in, the owners renovated it, so we got lucky.
So they didn't get to use the kitchen.
We built the dock though, that we did. So the dock's only a year
And
old.
Manisha, I've already come into the front of the house. The kitchen looks out to the front. And this, Michelle was explaining that they took out a fireplace that obscured the view. And they're going to put in a big picture window. Is it going to open up?
Yes, so, and then it'll open up to, you'll see where the window is going to go, but you'll have a water view and a backyard view.
Are they allowed to come out?
Oh, yeah. You guys.
But I mean, can you open the window,
Yes.
or is it going to be a fixed window?
One side you'll be able to open.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's an outdoor shower here. Is that your little greenhouse?
That's our neighbors.
Okay. And they have a little strip of land that goes out to the boat ramp. Are there lights at the dock?
Would you like to walk out there?
No.
Oh, you can if you want.
It's okay.
There's a, not you. Sorry, we are all
And Michelle, how much do you pay for the lawn care?
He's $50 when he comes.
And he does trimming as well?
Yeah, trimming, blows off everything. In the summer he comes once a week.
Right.
And then winter he's like once a month maybe.
May I peek in the garage?
Sure. Sorry, it's not super organized. But this is the laundry room.
Will you be leaving the machines?
Yep. And then I'll get this for you. A lot of kids stuff, but my husband built these shelves.
And these shelves will stay?
Yeah, so really great storage for us, and then a lot of quarantine gym in here. But
Where are you guys from?
San Diego.
Okay, so you're going back home?
Yeah, I'm excited.
But you decided just to keep the house? You're going to come back here?
Yeah, we're gonna keep it until he's out of the military, just in case we get stationed back here one day. But it's not super likely.
Here's the, it's not really a dining room, it's a dining area.
Then all the bedrooms are down that way if you want to help yourself.
Okay, I'll go on down.
Yeah.
Which is open to the kitchen here. And this is the foyer where I came in, so it's kind of like a walk around. I'm sure this is a closet for coats. And I had come in here towards the kitchen from the front door. hall bathroom. Master. The barn door. Barn doors on a closet. This would be a typical smaller bathroom. They've done it up nice, but I don't know when it was built. I think the 60s or 70s. That's what you get here in this area. And it's one long closet for the master. And the room looks about 14 by 15 square feet. This is probably, there's something obstructing another linen closet here. And then a bedroom. Smaller closet in this bedroom, painted kind of a gray. And then another bedroom. And I would say 2 bedrooms, probably about 10 by 12. And also, this has a closet, but it's obscured by the chair, so. And let's do one last swoop. You would come in the front door here. You can go either to the living room or you can go over to the kitchen. And the dining area, nice featured wall. Just a look at the flooring. It's hardwood. This is not engineered laminate, right?